Hi everybody, Mr. Riedl here. I am going to show you how to log on to my website, Clever, IXL, and StudentVUE so that you can get work done at home for your math class. So first go to riedlteach.com and you can enter the virtual classroom. And when you get to my virtual classroom, you will see the math button here, so you can click on the math button. And then you'll see my math page. So what you do is you go down here and you click on the Clever button, which will take you to the Reynolds School District Clever page. And since we're a Microsoft school, click on Microsoft, log in with Microsoft Entra, and that will bring you to the Reynolds School District with the mountain and the forest in the background, so you can sign in. Student email needs to be entered. So when you are at home outside of the school building, you're going to need to enter the student email, which is the student ID, and then at students.rsd7.net. So this is just an anonymous student that I picked for this demonstration, but whatever the student ID number is, that goes here at the beginning, and then you click next. And then it says enter password, and this is the same password that is at school, which is the student ID number and then the student's birthday. Okay, so I entered the password, same one as at school, sign in, and then it signs you into Clever. So go ahead and click on Mr. Riedl's page, and then it shows all the links that I used for my class. This is another way to get back to my virtual classroom. IXL is the place where I have my students do their math assignments, and over here, StudentVUE is how students can check their grades. So what I want to do is show you StudentVUE first. And so you can sign in as a student. This is where students can see their assignments. And for this, it's just the student ID, just like that. And then the password is the same as before. Okay, like that. And then we log in. And so after we're logged in, we click on the gradebook right here. And we're going to scroll down and we're going to find the math page. And it says math, it shows the grade, and then it shows how many missing assignments. Now in order to see all the assignments, you need to click on the class Math 6. Okay, so this is where it shows all the assignments for that class, and it shows the percent and the grade and how many missing assignments. And then if it doesn't show what you want it to show, you can toggle between these. This is all versus done. You can also click on this for missing assignments, and then it filters it with the missing assignments. So this student happens to have a lot of missing assignments. So as you can see, it says missing on the right, and then so this student needs to do all of these IXL assignments. IXL 8.1, IXL H1, H2, and so these are all the assignments that this student needs to do. So this student needs to go to IXL and then find those codes. So I'm going to show you that now. I'm going to go back to Clever, and I'm going to go back to Mr. Riedl's page on Clever and click on IXL, and that will sign them in. And then up at the top, it should say My IXL here. So you're going to want to click that, and then it will show the assignments. And then you can scroll down here, and it says From Your Teacher. So this tab, it shows all of the assignments. See, it says Mr. Riedl next to each of these. All the assignments that I have assigned this quarter. And we're going to scroll down and find that there's A1, H1, H2. So these assignments are the ones that this student needs to complete in order to get that assignment finished. When you go into the assignment, this is what it looks like. So it says A1, add and subtract whole numbers. So they do these math problems, and then on the right it says SMART score. It will increase when the student gets the problems right, and it will go down if the student gets the problems wrong. So it goes up faster than it goes down. Eventually they'll get it up to 80, and when it's at 80, there'll be a blue ribbon, and the blue ribbon means that they are proficient at that skill. So they just need to keep practicing. They can learn with an example or watch a video, or look at my resources on Schoology and on my website, and hopefully that will help them learn from home. If you have any questions, please contact me, and I'm happy to help. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.